This was the day when Maxie caught an extraordinary mouse. Nothing like the 10 mouses she's caught before. And then Whiskers comes in. He is a sleeping cat. He's only sleeping. He brought it in from the neighbor's yard. And this was the day that everything I tell you went wrong. So there's Maxie and the mouse, and Whiskers in his sunbathing spot. It's his favorite place to bathe. Well, sunbathe. And here's some grapes.